Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update from Z-JAK Technologies. Still using 12345 as a password? Too many businesses are, and it's a big problem. Weak passwords are one of the easiest ways for criminals to break into your business, and they use automated software to target all businesses, all the time. Something simple like your name or I love you 58 can be guessed in seconds. Once they're in, your data is at risk. The fix? Use strong passwords, or better, a password manager to generate and remember long random passwords. Also, add multi-factor authentication. It's like a double lock on your door. Not sure where to start? We can get you safely set up. That's your tech update. More next week.